Hello, I am RJ Miller. Today, I am showing you guys how to repair an automatic repair loop effects that you are getting on your Windows computer. So if your computer is infinitely reloading and perhaps you're getting an automatic repair screen, this how-to demonstration will be for you. So whenever or not you're able to get to the screen. We are going to go through a couple of different ways on how to initially set up where we are going in this tutorial. So the first thing I would recommend doing is to attempt to power off your machine 3 times in a row, and hopefully it'll launch the automatic repair utility that I'm going to have up on the screen right here. If you are unable to get to this screen by doing a hard power off, which is basically just turning your computer off from the tower, or by pressing the power icon or power button a few times in a row, I recommend going onto Microsoft's website and downloading the Windows 10 Media Creation utility and booting your computer off of that, and you can go through your BIOS. All you want to do is basically boot your computer off of the Windows 10 ISO file, and would take more time because you would have to download Windows 10 onto a DVD and then boot your computer off of it. And instead of clicking on install Windows, there will be off Windows, there will be an option on the bottom left. You want to select repair your computer or repair this PC, something along those lines, and then you'll enter into the troubleshooting utility I have up right now. So just to put that out there. There's a couple of different ways to get into the screen, so I just want to give a little bit of pretense before we jump right into the demonstration. So once we get to this point, that's right now on the screen, that says your PC did not start correctly, you want Advanced Options button on the right side. Underneath, choose an option, select Troubleshoot, which should be on the middle option right here. Underneath the new Troubleshoot window, select Advanced Options. And now that we're underneath Advanced Options, you want to select the tab on the top right that says Command Prompt. Use the command prompt for advanced troubleshooting, so select that. So at this point, you want to type the letter C on your keyboard, which or whatever your main hard drive would be labeled as, and then colon, and then hit enter on your keyboard. Once you're done doing that, type dir, and then hit enter again on your keyboard. And the way to make sure that you're underneath the correct directory is when you see something that says Program Files, Users, Windows, and Perflogs, Perflogs. Now, depending on what your drive label might be, it might not be your C drive, so just try different letters until you get the correct. In most cases, it should be the C drive. However, now once you have found the correct drive, you you type in CD on your C drive on your keyboard, then space / type in Windows / again, type in System32, another / and then you want to do config, CONFIG. Once you are done typing this in, you want to hit enter on your keyboard. At this point, you want to type in MD, then space, backup. If you've done something like this in the past, you might have a duplicate on file here. So just make sure you might put a 1 on the end of here, or 2, or something to distinguish it from your previous backup, because you don't want to override another one you might have already saved. So once you've done typing that in, you're going to hit enter on the keyboard again. So this point now, you're going to type in copy, space, now you can do a little star, dot, and another star, another space, and you're going to type backup, and then hit enter on your keyboard again. Now what you want to do is type CD space regback, REGBACK, and then hit enter on your keyboard. Now what you want to do is type DIR again, all lowercase, but it doesn't really matter how you do it. Then hit enter on the keyboard. Now please note, in my case, I have all zeros right next to these entries. If it says 0 next to your entries, this will not work for you. If you continue forward, stop here. I recommend going through System Restore or Startup Repair and trying to resolve Windows through that. However, due to my computer's environment, I only have zeros here, but if you guys have values that are not equal to 0, there should be really long strings of numbers next to all these settings on the left side. So just looking here, if you see all zeros, then like I said, go through System Restore. If not, if you guys do have numbers, it should be several million number place values and quite a few of these. If you're going to type in copy space star dot star another space, then 2 dots back to back, and hit enter on your keyboard, and when this is over, write the letter A on your keyboard, then hit enter, and at this point you can type exit. Before I hit enter on my keyboard, like I said before, most of you guys should not have zeros here, but if you do, this method will not work for you. I'm just going to make that exceptionally clear. So anyway, we have exit typed in here, so I'm going to hit enter on my keyboard to confirm that command, and then underneath, choose an option. I'm going to select continue to Windows, and I sincerely hope it works, and hope that you all have a great summer. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.